receive our parcel of mogic Bengals universal travel adapter. So I shall go ahead and open the parcel. So this is how it looks like when you open. You can see there's a layer of bubble wrap around the box. You can see there's a free gift, fidget spinner. I have the leopard style fidget spinner. I think it's been kept too long in the warehouse, that's why there's some off color, but nevertheless it's something free. I mean, I love to play. Oops. This one aside. So why I pay for this is because this is apparently a Singaporean invention, okay, by a Singaporean girl. I seen this in Kickstarter, and saw it in the store in Millennium Walk, showing Kickstarter project. So to support, I bought one of this. So what interests me for this product is how small this is and how much this product can pack in one small bagel. Why it's called bagel? It looks like a donut. Maybe I can call it donut. So basically it's not sealed. It's been opened before. I don't know why. It's been opened before. Maybe for checks. I see something here. It's a fuse. I'm sure you can see this. It's a fuse for the universal adapter. A fuse is something that you would like to have because when there's a overflow of voltage, the fuse inside the original product will need a replacement, and with this you don't have to buy from any of the store. You can just replace it. They're good to have, so I may have to keep the box. So here is the actual product. Okay. Very good. What do you call it? Like a looks like a carbon fiber, but actually it's more polyester material. See the details of the zip with shape which says mogics. This is how it looks like. I have to do my own sound effect. So if I must have the lights nearer to me, so that you can see a better view. Now you have the light splatter on the table. Okay. So I shall go and play around with this. This thing should be the cable that I read a bit of this, not a lot. So let me just give me a second to play with this. So this one will be taken out. Can be a universal charger, 2-pin, and I don't know about a switch here. There's a switch here. It says 1A, MA1. Possible that maybe the fuse is inside. So this itself can be an adapter. So in, out. This is for, I'm not sure for which country. In, out, and in, out. So one more. This is for, I'm not sure what this is for. Maybe I should look the explanation, which is the A4 size paper. So other than this, after I take this out, this one should be able to pull out like that. Once I pull out like that, it has a long wire, so I can just plug it onto any this can be directly plugged into, like for example, country like Japan or China that uses a flat 2-pin. If not, you can use this adapter, push that in, then you can go to other countries. I'm not sure about the 3-pin. Let me check whether there's a 3-pin. Okay. Push. Oh, okay. So actually, the red knob is actually a lock. Okay. Don't know why. I have to play more with this. So anything else I missed out? Oh yeah, there is actually a 3-pin. So I have to slide that out. Whoa. Okay, seems a bit slide. Oh, there you go. So this one slide out, then this extra pin will be out, and I'm supposed to slide it out, rotate, and push back up again. Wow. Okay. Brilliant. Okay, I have to give my applause to the designer for the 3-pin, the head that is like how you say a 3-motion twisting and turning to come out from here. I will never imagine this thing is actually able to be spin out like that. Okay, so with this, and you push out this one, then you have a 3-pin. So effectively, I at first I couldn't imagine that this small thing can pack a 3-pin plug. I thought they would be using a 2-pin and you have to use a pen or something to poke and get the 3-pin done. But amazingly, she packed everything in. So full points to her for that design. How do I get this back? Stuck. Okay. So twist, push it back in. So this is this. The next part is for this one. So according to the ad, there's a cable, long cable of, oh, it's longer than I thought. Wow, so it's a lot longer. Okay, it's the end. So my guess is this is about 90 cm. I only guess. It says 92 cm. Wow. I have to give myself praise myself a bit. That's a good estimation. So the cable length is 92 cm. And this is why I buy the universal charger for. See that? That is a USB charger, 2 USB ports, 2 volts, 2 amp, share. If it's shared, I guess my guess is that I'll probably take longer time. So if let's say I have a 2 phone that is charging at the same time, then probably one phone will get 1 amp. My guess is. So correct me if I'm wrong. Comment right below at the comment. I see what is there. What else? So basically the other pin is all 2-pin plug. Yeah, 2-pin plug. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not quite sure about this. What is this? What is this? This is also a flat 2-pin. So I have a flat 2-pin here. I have a normal round or flat 2-pin on. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 round or flat 2-pin, and one is just 2-pin. Is it? This is 2-pin. Okay, 2-pin. This side, so one, yeah, only 2-pin, so flat 2-pin. So total I have five places I can charge, and one two dual USB port, just using this one donut I call it, but they call it the mogics power bagel. So what is really amazing is the circuit design behind this product. It is, I really wonder how small the circuit board is. And when I was studying electric engineering, this kind, you can't really do this. You can't really do this kind of circuit board unless you go to big factory. So I'm not sure how it's being designed. I'm curious of how the designer designed this, but really like the design. Really how you can really see how thoughtful she is, because by doing a circle, all the 6 connections won't interfere with one another. So if you have a big adapter here or here or here, you know, it is by their own. So you can really pack even right on top of the cable. There's a connection. So this is really thoughtful. Okay, so this is what I received. I'll probably go and test it and charge it and play with it. If there is anything that I will update, I'll just put it under the comment. So for more reviews, like us, subscribe to Uncle Tan, and Uncle Tan will give you more updates on more products that I buy online that is truly a good deal, and this is a good deal.